the beginning, there were no instruments. It's just hands and singing and clapping and putting stuff together, whatever we can find, make local instruments, and that's what was used and still being used in the villages today.
And I think that's sort of parallel to what happened in West African cultures where they use ordinary things to make music. If they were using a mortar and a pestle, they were grinding grain, things of that nature, or pounding grains. The women who were doing that would often do that in a rhythmic manner. So to add rhythms, add percussive rhythms to what they were doing, they might sing a song along with it. So taking something that's an ordinary, everyday activity and making music out of it, I think I see a parallel with them taking these buckets and making music, using those as a musical instrument.
Backboard.